So what I want to specify here is I want to take the username and password, and I want to validate it with the database. So for this, actually I want to use this SQL Server database for that purpose so far. So let's see how we are going to make it out with this.
నీకు సీక్వెల్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయడానికి వస్తుందా కార్తిక్? సీక్వెల్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయడానికి వస్తుందా? MySQL అట్లా చేసినా మనకు కరెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు, చూద్దాం.
So this is the select star from users to have here fine. So now what I want to do here is I want to check whether the username and password both are correct or not. If username and password both are correct, then I have to display that it's a correct credentials, otherwise we have to specify its invalid credentials with respect to this. So see how we are going to make it out with respect to this. Now first we have here is right click new dynamic web project we have. Now in this we have here JDBC login application. Here I have find. Now on next finish so far. So now see in this first what we have to do here is let me create so in this first what I want to do here with respect to this is I want to so in this first what I want to do here is let me give here as index.jsp page first, or in this actually first what I want to do here is I want to give this username and password, this kind of thing. So first here I have login application JDBC, right click new, and after that here I have JSP page here. Now after that just click here as login.jsp I have to specify here. Now in this login.jsp page see we have here is first so this is the one we have. So in this see first I have to specify add this jars now properties Java build path, add external jars. So this is the one first we have here. Fine. Now after that see if we have with respect to this is so first let me specify here see with respect to this HTML colon HTML I have here. Fine. First here I have to use this proper HTML tags over there. Now in the body see we have to specify here is HTML colon form action equals to here we have slash login. Here I have fine. So I have to go to this slash login with respect to this here fine. Now in this see what I want to do here. First let me specify this username and password with respect to this. So if I want to specify this username and password here see. So username here I have. Now HTML colon text property equals to, here we have username. Now after that, see, we have here password, we have HTML colon password property equals to password, here I have find. Now after that, see, we have this HTML colon submit, here we have find. So in this I have to specify this login here find. So this is the thing, first we have to specify there. Now after that, see, what I want to do here is I want to create the action form with respect to this, isn't it? For the username and password, I want to initialize those things. So here we have in the login app.jsp, right click new, and as well as class we have here. So let me create it over here. That's dot example. Let me give the same thing here. So here we have login form, I have start example here. So in this, let me write the code here with respect to this. So what is the code? Actually we have to write it here. This the customer form, see, this is the one we have to specify here. Extends action form, super fine. So the action forms here, how to specify this things here, see, private string username and private string so now in this, see, let me make this getter setter here. So right click. Now after that, see, we have here source and generate getters and setters here. Now specify these things like this. So this is the one I have to specify. So get username and as well as set username and get password and set password we have here. Now after that, what I have to do here is in the same form. So next, what I want to do here is I want to specify with respect to this login action also. So here I have right click new, last we have here login action we have here. So the login action, let me write this code for this database connectivity. So for this, let me add the relevant jars here. JTTS jar we need to add. So right click, properties, after that add external jars, drive. So this is the one I have here. Fine. Now let me add this login action with respect to this. So in the login action, see, what I want to specify here is I want to write the connection string and as well as those things. So that's why public class login action extends action, here I have find. So this is the action I have to specify here. Now in this, see, we have here private static final string success equals to, here I have success, and in the same way next we have here private static final string failure equals to, here we have failure with respect to this. So these are the things we have. Now in this, see, just give control space and as well as make execute method. So in the execute method, see, so in the execute method, let me put this in that. See, we have here action mapping, action form. Now request and response also we need to have now. Yes, this is the one we have. So action mapping, and action form, HTTP servlet request and response, here we have throws exception we have here file. Now in this, see, we have to do that is just make it out here login form 1 equals to login form we have here. Fine. Now after that, see what I want to do here is let me get these things here. So first let me load this driver and also class dot for name of. This is the driver actually I have to do here. Net dot source dot dtts. 1 minute. Yeah, it started already. Sorry, I am not informed. Okay. Yeah, net dot source dot jtts dot jdbc dot driver. So fine. Now after that, see we have here is connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection of. What is the thing we have here? See with respect to this jdbc colon jtts colon SQL server colon / persona-bc / SQL practice, because my SQL server instance name is persona-bc and in this the database name is SQL practice, and after that give comma there. Now after that username SA and password we have here is so and so thing we have. So I am specified this username and password with respect to this. Now after that we have here is let me take here prepared statement PSC equals to connection dot prepared statement of. Here I have select star from users where username equals to question mark and password equals to question mark I have here. So select star from users where username equals to so and so thing, password equals to so and so thing. Now after that PSC dot set string of 1 comma in the first position we have form1 dot get username PST dot set string of 2 comma get password we have here. Fine. So we have to specify this username and password in that. Now after that, see we have here result set rs equals to pst dot execute query. Now after that, if rs dot next, then what I have to do here is I want to then we have to specify here as correct credentials with respect to this. So here I have return mapping dot find forward of success, else return mapping dot find forward of failure we have here. Find. So now in this, let me create 2 more pages here, 2 more JSP pages. Now in this 2 more JSP pages, I have to specify if it is success. So the 2 more JSP pages, what I have to do is if it is success, let me go here. Let me go to this failure page so far. So right click new and after that JSP page we have in this is specify this one success. Then so just give here as correct credentials I have defined. Now in the same way next we have here, let me go to this another page here as failure. So if it is failure.asp here, so we have this one invalid credentials. So this is the way we have to specify here. If it is success, let me go to this success page. If it is failure, let me go to this failure page. So perfect. Now after that, what I want to do here in the web info folder, I want to write this configuration file and web.xml. So let me write this web info folder. I have to write this web.xml here file. So other we have web.xml here file. me write it out here. So display name we have to keep this. Action separate we have. Now after that in this web icon, so web info struct-config.xml file we have here. Now what is the default base we have to specify here? I have to give this default base here as login.jsp. I have to specify here. So I have to go to this login.jsp base here. Fine. Now let me write this struct-config.xml file here. So after that web info here we have C, other we have XML file here. struct-config.xml file. So this is the way we have. So form wing name equals to, so let me give here as a login form, and type equals to struct.example of, here I have login form. Super fine. So now after that see we have here is forward name equals to main page, and path equals to, here we have login.jsp. So default actually I have to go to this login.jsp page here. Fine. Now after that what I have to do here is I want to specify this. So in this what I have to specify with respect to this is if so-and-so name comes, then to which it has to go. Those things we have to specify. Actions also we have to map it out here. Just so in this see what we have to specify here is I have to specify these actions and as well as controllers, those things with respect to this. So see here how we are going to make it out here. Just a minute. So by default if it is login form, then go for this struct-icon so and so thing we have here. Right. Now so now in the action mapping see we have action path equals to, what is the thing we gave in the login.app/login. So give this one, action path equals to /login, and after that what is the parameter we have to give here? Login.jsp, and please go for this. See we have here this. So that situation actually I have to go with respect to this. This is the one we have here. Fine. So form action path equals to /login, and parameter equals to so and so thing with respect to this. Fine. Now in the same way action path equals to /login we have. Now in this we have here this login action instead of customer action. Let me specify here login action there, and with respect to this. So far fine. Now after that what we have to specify, input equals to login.jsp we have here. Fine. Now after that what I want to do here, if forward name equals to success, then path equals to success.jsp, forward name equals to, here we have failure, then path equals to, here we have /failure.jsp we have here. Fine. So this is the thing we have to specify. So we are specifying this success and failure, both the things here. Fine. Now let me run this one here. See cannot retrieve the definition for customer family, right? Or the customer family. We push to here have login form. Now see here we have with respect to this, let me make here login. Here I have, see it is giving correct credentials. If I give something wrong here, it is giving invalid credentials so far. So this is the way we have to specify here. Okay, is this clear? So last time actually we did the same thing with respect to this database with respect to with the static way. Now the same thing actually now we are doing with respect to this database so far. So that is the only difference we have. Okay, is this clear everybody?
Yeah, it
Only
is
we have to
clear.
map those things. What is the thing actually I added here is just simply I added the database part. That's it. Except that everything, this mappings and as well as those all the things are same with respect to this. Okay. Now one more program we will do in the database with respect to this. Let me add some CRUD operations. By means in the CRUD we did a read operation. This reading we did find. Now let me post the data by using the structs. By means here I have employee form is there. So I want to read employee number, name, department, designation, basic, all the things, and as well as I want to send to the table. So see, let us see how we are going to do that one. So here we have new dynamic web project, PMP, insert, flux. Right click properties we have. So paste here I have mine. So first see what we have to do here is let me make this. So first what we have to do with respect to this is let me make this one. So right click new as well as JSP base we have. Now in this JSP let me specify here as employee.jsp we have defined. So first we have this one here, fine. Now next thing what we have to do is let me make this form tag here with respect to this. Column form action equals to /emp we have here, fine. So I have to go to this emp form here. Now let me get those things here with respect to this. So here we have center here and have employee number HTML colon text property equals to here I have DMO name of employee we have text property equals to name we have. Now department we have colon text property equals to DSLD we have this here we have submit here we have insert so far fine. So this is the thing first we have here fine. Now after that what we have to do here is next what I want to do is I want to write this things here. So let me create this action form here. So here we have right click new class we have new class we have here fine. Now after that I have empty form start example here. So extends action form here I have. Now after that we have private string empno private string name private string dept asip and private string basic we have. Now after that see let me write the code here with respect to this. So right click. Now after that here I have generate getters and setters here. Select all. Fine. Now after that see what I want to do here is this is the employee form we have. Now after that let me write this emp action over here. So right click new class we have here emp action with respect to this. Now in this please write the code. So now after that say we have here this private static final string private static final string failure equals to we have here. Now after that still we have here let me make this execute method here. Now in this execute let me write the code. The attribute of result comma so in RBC equal to maximum. Now after that in this I have return mapping dot find format of I have failure. Return mapping dot find forward of success. So here's the thing we have. Now in this let me write the code as usual. Request dot set attribute of RDS now. Fine. So employee form 1 equals to employee form of source. So thing we have here. Class dot first name of so thing we have here. Net dot source dot bc ps dot bc dot driver. So far connection con equals to here we have driver manager dot get connection of So also thing we have here, see JDBC colon J3TS colon SQL server colon double slash Prasanna icon PC slash SQL practice. Now after that here I have username SA, password we have here as. So this is the one we have. So connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection of source thing we have here fine. Now after that see we have with respect to this is see prepared statement PST equals to connection dot prepared statement of so now after that we have PST dot set int of 1 comma here we have form 1 dot get EMPNO. Now PST dot set string of 2 comma so here I have to use integer dot path. Now PST dot set string of 3 comma here I have form 1 dot get EMP 4 comma after that we have here of PST dot set string of 5 comma after that I have here dot passing of form 1 dot get basic we have here. So everything here now. So this is the one we have to specify here fine. Now after that see what I want to do here is so I have to specify this configuration file and as well as web so I want to specify this web.xml file with respect to this. So now let me go to this see we have so this is the one we have to specify here. So here I have apply such application we have here. Default I have to go for this employee.jsp there. So here I have employee.jsp we have here fine. So welcome files we have employee.jsp here fine with respect to this file. Now after that see in the configuration file I have to specify this. So first we have here this, here I have login form. So this is the default login form I have here fine. So path equals to here we have to specify here this. So sorry, it's not login form now. Form is name equals to empty form, and I have to go for this empty form to format. Now employee.jsp we have defined. So here I have slash. What is the JSP base thing? Here we have C slash emp, and after that C we have here yes. So here I have what is the thing we have here is employee.jsp with respect to this file. Now in the same way emp action emp form. Now after that C we have to go with respect to this request to. Now after that input equals to employee.jsp space we have defined. Forward name equals to here we have failure, path equals to slash failure.jsp we have defined. So now here let me create this two pages as success as well as failure. So the success.jsp with respect to this is see here we have percentage equals to request dot get attribute of. Here I have what is a attribute name I have here. Let me see the action master res now. So res we have result. Now let me go to this failure. Here I have failure.jsp here with respect to this. Now result is equals to request dot get attribute of. Here we have now let me go to this one with respect to this is C run as unknown server. This will be the next employee number. We have something there. So that is not the result is not employee.jsp we have employee number, name, department, designation, basic, fine. Now so submit button insert we have. Then after that we go to the slash tfp here. So here we have get and check with respect to this employee action we have. Okay, how to specify this result comma. After that we have it's got inserted. So after that, see we have. So it's giving record inserted with respect to this. So this is the way we are performing this operation so far. So if I want to set any value, because see very success or failure based means it doesn't mean that every time we can give the static messages. Whatever the bean data is there that actually I have to get with respect to this. So that situation, this is the one we have to make it out. So request dot set attribute is used to set the value, where request dot get attribute is used to read the values for fine. So this is the way we are going to do that. Is this clear? Hello.
Yeah.
This is clear, everybody?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And I want to ask one thing. Is this okay tomorrow? Can you attend at your morning time?
Sorry.
Or only this time is preferable? No, no. Tomorrow can we change the class timing?
Yeah. What are the new timings you want to continue?
No, no. Only the weekend only, because weekend. So can you attend? What is your time zone you are running on?
We are on CST Central.
The central time. No?
Yeah.
Just a minute. Let me check my slots and.
అది ఢిల్లీ కానీ అది బాగా నాకు అప్పుడప్పుడు ఏదో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి.
What about morning 9 o'clock? Tomorrow means CST? Yeah, 9 a.m. CST is okay.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah, we'll make it a 9 a.m. CST. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow session. Okay.
Yeah.
And tomorrow we'll sit for more than 2 hours. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And I will so with this, with structure and as well as styles concept, as well as validations, and as well as whatever the things we have with this, that will finish off in the tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow we'll have confirming the time 9 a.m. CST.
Okay. Yeah.
And come again. The structure will be completed tomorrow. Structs will be completed by Sunday. Okay. So Sunday also I will take the session. Okay.
And did you get a chance to share the files which you have worked on?
Now itself I will share. I am creating one Dropbox here. In this I will create a folder. Okay. Just a minute. Java K2 double fine. Okay. And this link I will forward.
Prasanna?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, please share the link to me. Okay.
Who's this?
Yeah, thank you.
Shibana.
Yeah.
Now should I put it in the
Don't put it. Actually, we are. Actually, I upload my Dropbox. Okay.
Okay.
We'll
So
talk
I
later.
will put. Okay. Can I send to Excel online classes ID? Is this okay?
I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
Fine. Okay. And in this folder I will upload all the things. You will get that one. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Bye, and we'll meet tomorrow morning.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.